Today we're on day 5. Hello, day 5. Alright, so this is where we stopped at this market stall, and this is where we're gonna start today for day 5.
برای هر کی تعریف کنه بگی من با آقا میشونم تو آقا برو به هر کی بخواد بگی.
This is actually the pedaling thing. You can pedal all the way to Denmark if you're very interested. This is the cycle route. Alright, so this might be... Alright, I'm just going to take the camera. Walk away. Alright, so this might be actually the next challenge my mum asked me to do. So shh, shut up, shh, shh. Dear Mom, I love you! It's hot, okay? This is Henningsdorf. This is a yard haven at Henningsdorf. It's very pretty here. Hello. How do you guys do that? Like, the leg comes up here. There we go. See, here, where? Oh. Hello. Who burned a motorcycle? Or one of those mad wee bike things. I don't know what they are. Tell me. I could have used that on this walk. Mum could have been trailing behind me. And I could be going... Why burn it? Come on, why burn it? Would you say yes or would you say no? If you were to come along here, for example on a bike that has a double seat on the back, would you let me sit on it? Would you? Alright, so right behind me is a factory, and the factory builds lots of trains, like for the whole of Europe really, and well, most of Europe. And here's for example a train that is currently being made. It looks like an Austrian train. My bee. Busy, busy bee. I'm a busy, busy bee. What's this song? This is a Bombardier Factory. That was hard. Don't judge how I said it. Try and do it yourself. Look at the lily pads. They're cute. With all the little frogs. Like it. This is a power station. Na, 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 na. Alright, so here's where we're gonna end. Alright, here we're gonna end day 5 and start day 6 tomorrow. Ah, woo! And now we have to all the way walk to the train station and then walk all the way back tomorrow.
Or take the bike.
Or take the bike, because there's still lots of people take bikes. Kind of jealous. I always want to take a bike. So we're taking the bike tomorrow. And let's go. My feet. I'm gonna take my hiking boots tomorrow. Alright, so we're in Henningsdorf, and the start is for the, well, it used to be the old Russian flag, and this is a cemetery for the Russian soldiers. So it's a cemetery for the Russians who died in the Second World War. I got pommes after a hard day of walk. I know I got a bit hot. Alright, so I'm very hungry. I'm like starving after that hard walk. And these are actually really good. I love them. I really love them.